everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download ABSA Bank Application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download the ABSA Bank application on your iPhone, first, check if you are connected to a strong internet or not. Try connecting to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you are, tap Open your App Store. In the search box that pops up at the top, search for ABSA Bank and make your search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the Get button in order to begin the downloading process right next to the application. Confirm your identity with your Face ID or simply enter your credential for your Apple ID and your download will begin. ABSA Group Limited and originally Amalgamated Banks of South Africa is a South African-based financial service group offering personal and business banking, credit cards, corporate and investment banking. Your download might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your iPhone. Soon after the application gets downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up right next to the app or right beneath it. Tap on the Open button to launch the app open. If you'd like to use the application later on, you'll be able to find the application in your app drawer with other applications. That is how you can easily get ABSA Bank application right in your iPhone, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.